Hello guys, this is Mary, Musha to friends, and today I'm here to show you how to resize images on SquareSpace in less than 1 minute. Let's start with a blank page. Let's click on Modify, select a pin, and then click on Image. Here we have our enormous image block. This happens because the preset of the program allows the image to expand to its full size of the browser, being a responsive design. So as we want to make it smaller, the only thing we have to do is to insert a space next to the image. Let me show you how we're going to do that. The first thing to do is to pick up any of this pin. Let's click on space, and here we are. Now we have to drag the blank space we've just created on the left or right of the image block, and clicking at this side of the space we are able to resize it, and the result is that our image block will resize itself automatically. Damn easy, isn't it? Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to stay tuned for any updates and new video tutorial. And if you need any specific help with something on SquareSpace, please leave a comment below this video and I'll create a tutorial to help you. Bye!